Chinsa ni Isano na Ibere chabono mugaso mwanchu murigere lingo gosogeria senchira yobo ikiranwande onsi asogene tokobo kwene kingano gere tokobo gusanga amona into miroberi Auta gene tokobo to kwariganira kurwa sigeta seni kia Ndizi TV nechinga kichingia na nitokomera na asembeo asekerenga gyo komanya senchira ubwenge kigima yagendreta kobaga gwata kurwa kietego ikira chinga kibine chitu tokobata nere gwetera somo no manyariga kurwa Joshua utelitera na kurwa Josephat Amisi ngora nande asekero gitalige tambiri ntinyara koba tokomanya nemo nae. Karibu sana chinga kia basaki baito mangana Amayia bagenda tokoba kwe gusurasi chingongo imena isko yoro gongorwa Gusii koenekia unabanyara koba bako ya sangeria seribo elimo hili netonyara koba togo sanga amunayo mwancho murigire nyora boigo nabo kubwatia Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere gwetera mitandao ya ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital nabo gwetera media YouTube Ndizi TV News. Karibu sana tonyara koba togo sanga amunayo togo chakurwa se county ya Nyamira se abamenyi korwa somo baga bwa Nyamira niko baburirie eserikali kweneke buranyale ko bagiye gutingia ekerengo kyoburendi sensemeyo anene chinga ki abana usabaro kyo bagenda tukoba kwirigania erigo kora matemu abo amanene kerasi ke gatano na gatatu nabo igo ekerasi kelia gya 12 bago kwana kurwa seskuru yoboroso ya kebuse chinga ki anene ekyombe kelia kya Derek Kisii Foundation kanyara ko bika etaro ya benego chia sensemeyo chinga kibanyara ko babigo bakwena na amagani ya matemu ayo amanene gati yabo anene medical set.
Really wish the candidates all the best. At the same time, now that we are in the border of Nyamira and Bomet, we encourage that the issue of insecurity, now that there is exam which is starting, so that we have more of a concern on that, ili wanafunzi ambao wanaenda kufanya mtihani wapate the security they need. And basically also we here to support the class 8 and grade 6 candidates with some other basic requirements they need for their exam, so that they can have it easier when they are doing they're going to sit for their final exam. That's why basically we're here, and we have been doing this. We are not only concentrating on education, we also want to go out there and seek to support more, because our slogan is to make them smile, and making them smile is coming in and giving the little you have to aid that person who is really in need. At the same time, whenever you do that, I am very sure it will come back again. We have promised that whoever will perform well, for here we are not going to say specifically this kind of mark, because we are getting away from that system, so that when they go to higher levels, I mean for those who are going to join Form 1 next year, we're going to aid them in giving them bursaries. We have already promised that, and we have given the mark which they should attain, so that we can support.
Bimano kegima sorobo teori gratogos kamotebonne yabeire omogoko omonene gochiase abamenyi be constituency ya Kitutu chache north na boyo Kitutu chache south maiga yabachumbe bechi constituency echo Ibere Anthony kibagendi na boyo Josephat nyakundi gochamo nagochaka anene okubaterana kubwa gachibwe pari ye kurensemo ya nyakoye gochigesie kabo igo ya korensemo ya marani baukwana kurwa senseme iyo nigo batebire nigo banyale ko bago chandeka semya kekomi yanyale ko bagego etamagega ye para iyo ko bagego sarikana boigo gotayiteka anene chinga kichiria chembure nyinge
akoro kwa maliba igo to kanya to chandege tase para ntubwatie para ase kanya yera matobe nigengo mugondo, lakini bono twanyore ngabagambi baito mbato bwate se timbato inyorete batakire gotoroserie para twakire ngambu ya mono naende bono kego chikorosi bwagaki tetige runjera erosi bwe ere ekiagera konye to kwamete none kero bwate chingini chiago koire chiro ni goko beka machanchebe kose kwabeka chibuti kwagendere kiagere para erembe bono twagokire sana sengenja bagambi baito batonyoire mugambi oito ke bagendi asante sana asoko tonyora naende tigero tibwe ekirane nona barwaire konyentori konyabe to kobereka mogongo twaira bakanya koe bono egekere egendete korotsigwa twakire ngambu yemono naende tiganye sae basesenie naende ikirane tigo moneno itonya saa tobwatetie naende abagambi baito mbuyamo
twagokire sengenzo torocenga mwabwateranire ngotoroseri muri pareko yetu chandete twachandikira matuka amange lakini tukuliara nyasago bakunire mwato inyoire abantu go bari no mogoko gangese ngenjo mugambi yetu okorire ki otoinyoire kwano goikera iga abaroire konye bako endeswe nyagitari abandi bakwiranjira abana beskuru bako boka mambi banyorwe skuru esengenjo ye parerembe lakini esengenjo yansire korosi gukurwa no mugambi yetu babwateranire batoinyoire twaigure byabangana
Dipo na sanya na wagete kambi se constituency ya Kitutu chache noti na boyo Kitutu chache Auta sagenda tokobaga tuwatiri roboti oruo asenchira yobo ikira no chinga ki amariganyo yamatemwa amanene sekerasi ya gatano na gatatu na boyo 12 gendrete sechiskuru chonsi mense ya Kenya bono nigo abaiboli banyale ko bako boligwa ko basira abana babo abagenda tokoba kuyarigania na boyo kweneke buna banyale ko bako ba chinga kichinyororo chinga kibagenda tokoba bakoligere na boyo kuyarigania se amatemwa yo okwana somoiga bwa masabo anene gochia se ekela sige 12 omokonyi bo mwalimu bo nene skuru ya obwaliye gotoka mia constituency ya Bonchari afuna mochama niko bayiganya leko baga ko enekeria Bible bune skuru ya banyale ko beku yarigania senchira yobo ikiranu na ko boli ya boigo abaiboli banyale ko ba kore nsemo yabo eri kweneke buna bana banyale ko ba kora bya ase amatemo yeo arachigocha
They have competed well in contests with other schools, giant schools, and they have competed well. We are assured that they are going to pass exams because 1, we have worked for that. 2, we have always trusted in God, and we believe that we shall get His blessings according to our desire. So wazazi, mumeona wanafunzi bila wanaongea kizungu hapa mbele vizuri. Ni kwa sababu tumewafunza vizuri na tuna hakika wanaenda kupita. Bila Mr. Rubita amesema muwaachie kitu leo. This is the last day you are going to see them. Mukionana na wao leo, next time munawaonana ni wao, ni wakati munawapiki hapo kwa gate wakielekea nyumbani. But in between hakuna kuonana.
Boti rolengete no bonchulia bono nigo ebengi area ya NCBA yanyalta kobe kwarigania umujega bokwena na ebiegwa guchiase ababwatani baye abanyale ko bagokora buya senchira yoko ni achigali umego yanyalta ko bagokorekana asomobogani oyomo imeyo muchobo songo nigo okorokwa buna NCBA Joara Awards yanyalta ko bagokoikiranigwa amona babwatani asensemo yo bonchulia ime county ya Kisii.
It's just good awards in recognition of business directly referred to the bank by the motor vehicle dealers directly in terms of loans that we then disburse. These loans again transform, as our Director of Trade was saying, the livelihoods of the people of Kisii region, where they buy commercial vehicles. This is an agriculture area, so we are able to fund commercial units. We're able to fund schools around with school buses. We are able to fund long haulage trucks. We're able even to fund the working community with motor vehicles. And so we are transforming the community around.
I want to say that as a government, we normally grace several occasions, but this particular occasion of NCBA Bank Joara Awards is a unique event because we are now talking about appreciating people who you are partnering with as you grow.
Karoto gateba mungani ebiombe bibwate mbiri regulated na central bank. Ige mukonyora interest cyabo ekiri igoro mukonyora mu sabanye 10% per month. Intumu nebengi okonyora tugo chakera ni 16%. Mutoligo chakugosa kuriri ndetobere ya totwara sukura. Diko kogenda na wase asekiwe koliyebeza incho asotori tukwane tunyare guchake sabali eli tunyare korora na kitoko mukonya osuke kurwa samu kuchia sare kile
Tugusika mutwe serikali kubwatirana amone byombe bitari bye serikali ni go byabwatiranire elio koenekia obochenu wechindo che ao chingaki anenense ya kenyegenza ko bekwirigania asembura yeli ninyo asobwangoiga nige kiombe gya back to society kenyara ko bagekora abamenyi events emo ya kibura elio koenekia buna banyare ko bakobeka obochenu nabo igo koenekia buna orochura Nairobi asenseme yo ya kibira rwanyare ko ba asenchira elia roganeiri.
Tumesafisha kuanzia hapa, lakini mto wenyewe inatoka katika maeneo ya Ngong, na mto mwingine pia inamwaga maji katika huu mto inatoka Dagoreti. So ile kitu tumefanya tu sehemu kidogo, lakini tunataka sisi pamoja na wale unaona hapa mapartners tutaenda kwa huu mto mpaka penye ulianzia tukiusafisha, ndio watu waweze kutumia haya maji hata kwa kufua nguo.
Kitambo hii mto ilikuwa inatusaidia kupata maji ya kufua, kuosha vyombo, kupanguza nyumba. Lakini sasa hatuwezi itumia. Tumefurahia bila climate change wamekuja. I hope hii maji itakuwa safi kwa kila mtu kutumia. Juu sasa kwa maji Kibira gharama yake iko juu.
Ko abere oka atgarete elio ense ya Kenya ko bage go chengera rituko ria mashujaa bono nigo amariganio a yelitukelio agendrete anene ime county ya Kericho asigetikiria kia Green Stadium okwana nechinyomba cyo bararimo waziri bobocheni Susan na kumincha kubaterana amono muriki obotamba se wizara y'oburendi bw'Imere mondo molo nigo banyara ko bagotarira enseme yo nabwigo kuroro boti rwo gwikirana nga asabanyare ko bagoteba nigo bagokeire negetambukiro gya committee yegendete ko bage kwarigania amarigania yo arachiko bakorekana ime county ya Kericho.
Chini yake Chief Magwanda Mazito.
Nataka kuwashukuru sana kuangalia vile kumeenda leo, mumefanya kazi nzuri, na nataka kuchukua tena fursa hii kuwakaribisha Wakenya wote wajitokeze kwa wingi, haswa wakaaji wa Kericho County kuja kujumuika pamoja na sisi, kwa sababu hii Mashujaa Day tunaisherekea pia tukizindua ile mpango wetu wa Universal Health Coverage ambayo inamaanisha ya kwamba afya imekuja kwa wote, na cha muhimu ni kwamba tumeleta afya nyumbani.
We are satisfied with all the preparation that has gone in place to ensure that this event becomes a success. We started about 2 months ago when there was actually no infrastructure in place, and we want to congratulate and appreciate everybody who has worked hard to ensure that the infrastructure that we see today is in place. And we also want to appreciate the county government of Kericho.
Etokosuka motwe ni gobono abakagerwa batatu banyare ko babakobekwa byara imeye county ya Siaya asobonyabi obotindo banyara ko bokoragwa amona abanyanyimbo ase county yo kubwaterana n'abakoreri ase ekegambero ekerenga kyobonyabi obo nigo kerengete go ikirania kubabeka byara abantu bonzi gosabo bisabonsi abakwero kabuna abanogeri berichiko boyigo bataranyara ko bakwerikia ne kiombe ekyo kialo Society of Kenya.
Do this inspection in collaboration with the police of the area. So we did that with the police from the Siaya police station, and they assisted us in arresting the 3 masqueraders. They have been taken to the police station. They have been booked. We have also recorded our statements. We are hopeful that tomorrow they will be charged in court.
We urge members to continuously keep us informed. It's an ongoing process, and we need to work together in a united way to ensure that we remove this sickness from our profession.
This serves as a warning to the others that nobody knows the time or the coming of the council or of the upcountry rep. So all those masqueraders, I think this should serve as a warning that
Elio ikirania gati yechi agenda chinene che serikali ya Kenya kwanza kuenekea buneme tenyale kobego simekwa imense ya Kenya bono nigo abamenyi be county ya Meru banyara ko bakubori go banyara ko bagwesoke na kwenekia buna baberire asomo stadium motwe elio gosimeka emete anene elia ekoena na amatunda bakorawa amonomo county commissioner bwa county ya Meru Fred Ndunga nigo boigo aborire abagambi korwa sebinyoro ao banyara ko bagosegeta abamenyi be Chinsemo cyaberinde banyara ko bagosimeka emete yo
chief kwa location yake anakumbushwa kupanda miche 3,000 kwa mwezi. Kila mwezi, kila location ni miche 3,000.
Wakati kulikuwa na hii ugonjwa inaitwa COVID, hapo ndio tulijua kitu inaitwa oxygen ni expensive. Si kweli? Mtu alikuwa anaenda hospitali tunasikia anaekwa oxygen, hiyo familia italipa mamilioni ya pesa. Hapa nani amelipa hii hewa tunafuruta? Hii hewa si tumepewa free.
Nataka nitoe mwito kwa wananchi wote. Ukitoka hapa, jaribu tu panda miche 10, at least 10 kwa mwezi. Na katika hiyo miche 10, jaribu sana kuzingatia miti inayozaa.
Bono nigo ebunge enene iseyo omoraigo semona garibu ebunge imoses wetangura banyareko baba komenta chinga kigo chiase ebunge gosao chiase kiombe kilia gekokora chingwana no kugayana kwa bene gati ya serikali na bwigensemeli kwa merelia serikali amatuko 30 elikweneke buna banyareko bagukwanera amange ayibataranyara ko baba koyebeka asemesa korengana anene na omonyakero gobweke ombe kyo boigo oyore omonene bwa abange meye bunge Kimani Ichung'wah na boigo au boigo kolengana na Kimani Ichung'wah oyore omonogeri bwa abange imeye bunge nigo atebere buna ekiombe kyose komiti yitaranyara ko begukwanera mangana mange ayanyate ko bagakoretwa bochia ase obosibwe komiti chinga kianyarite ko bagutwara ebikaro byabo.
Honorable Speaker, we realize that we may not be able to complete that within the time that is left. And Honorable Speaker, as we resume the negotiations next week, that would only leave us with about 5 days next week, as the days would have lapsed on Saturday 28th. And therefore, we only had 5 days, Monday to Friday. And we sought, therefore, to come back to both houses, seek concurrence of the House to allow us more time, Honorable Speaker, to be able to engage and consider all the issues, as we said, in line with the
that this committee will not complete its work without addressing itself to the matter of the cost of living. The matter of the cost of living. And I also want to echo what Honorable Chungwa said, that this committee, its establishment and proceedings have had the effect of calming the country.
Dialogue Committee by a further 30 days from 28th October 2023, and consequently the committee shall be required to report to the leadership of Kenya Kwanza.
Umwancho murile ngati ya yanda mange tokene tokabato kwariganira kurwa semesa ya ito ya maya omugaso obono inyora boigemero beri ya ito nakuboko yebwate botambe kwetera senjira Facebook Ndizi TV News digital nabo kwetera sensa media YouTube Ndizi TV News iranyara ko bokonekia buna gochere kwetera somo no bimanyerero ngakoro kwa Joshua Auta kwetera senchira yechi channel yogi abigari nyancha melitera ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi ngomena tole amana Chinsa ikomiche wana mugoroba aso kumanyaya amana yanda mange tokene tokabato kwariganira kurwa semesa yeto ya maya.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'umugusii. Enyagitari ya World Fit Health Center iye gutoka imijumu chokisi nigikorwa bukorere bwa conventional medicine, nutritional medicine na herbal medicine.
We are professionals, tunabanyagitari tusomete
enchira ya kawaida yokurwaria marwaire tukuruka nga conventional medicine, nutritional medicine and herbal in Malaysia. So ekero montago chisinya gitari yaito to make sure to apimiro murwire bya utakorera diagnosis
boyo mbugwato bokorera bonde buna general consultation okolengwa as laboratory, nutrition services, nutritional assessment, weight management, sports nutrition, natural and organic eating, plant-based nutrition, no bondo bonge.
So nakito karo montachi obviously to make sure nga twa device nutritionally ngakia koirena ngakia guitanga ko soko nyora marwe ito gutumia amarioga kawaida aito gutatokorwa na conventional medicine tuatumia mariogo akurwa sendagira munabono vitamins ama fatty acids na ndito mwenye gutumia amarioga akurukunga herbal medicine no tole enyomba ya Uhuru Plaza Gabo Songo goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A and then tubuate branch mu Eldoret enyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2 and then tubuate branch ndumuchi Okaratina opposite Absa Bank.
Worldfit Health Center. We are different, best because we have knowledge on how to treat using both ways. Ndizi TV. Ubwansu bw'Gusii. Omurubuli okubwatya nigo kuligera